to be. You've been soaking so long. Your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This is Cherry from Edmonton, Canada. So happy new year to everyone. It's already 2026 and me and my kids are here outside attending to a winter festival here in Edmonton, somewhere here at the north dito sa may Alberta Avenue District, because my son signed up for a volunteer for this yearly winter festival called Deep Freeze here in Edmonton. So nandito rin ako para samahan siya kasama yung daughter ko. And for the first time, gusto ko ring ma-experience yung festival. It's my first time. 2 years ago, me and my son also joined a festival called Kaleidoscope. So it's being organized by the same organizer who's been doing this Deep Freeze Festival. Nag-volunteer din siya at the time. So 2 years after, nag-volunteer din siya para this time naman he's doing photography. So ayun, nandun na siya, kasama na yung mga organizers. And then me and my daughter are just here checking what's in here. Okay, so we're gonna walk over there. Merong ice sculpting. Mukhang mousse itong in-sculpt nito. Oh, this one is really nice. Is this an eagle? Anong meron dito? Mga sheep. Look at the sheep. Oh, ang kapal nung feather niya. And there's the pony. And then this one. Sabi, merong miniature horse or Shetland pony. But this one looks like a camel. It's a mini camel. Hello! Meh! Kambing ba siya? Meh! Ooh, it's so cute. Okay, this area is petting zoo area. And look at those, may mga rabbits. May tatlong mga bata. Okay, I was wrong. Kasi this could be llama or alpaca pala. Ayan, ang cute-cute niya. And then these are the goats. So dito yung starting point ng festival. And then, ito yung street that goes and then all the way back there. Good thing maganda yung temperature right now. It's positive 1, 2 I guess. Pero mamayang gabi, pwede pumalo ng negative 4. So we're here from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. So ito pala yung nakita namin kanina na pinipilahan na horse riding. Ayan. Since malamig, so meron naman mga corners provided na ganyan for eating. Mga fire. Ayan. And then this area is representation for the indigenous community. So may mga naka-install ng mga tipi. Tapos merong sliding dito, ice slide. And then another slide here. By the way, this is a festival to celebrate the winter arts. Look at this, may mga arts dito. And then culture as well. Dito, pwedeng bumili ng hotdog and marshmallows. Tapos pwedeng mag-ihaw-ihaw dun sa mga fire. Okay, so ito yung mga festivals pala that they organize. Deep Freeze, Kaleido. Then may isa pang ice sculpt dito. This is, I guess, an owl. Buti na lang at malamig-lamig pa. Pero lately kasi nag-i-start umakyat ang temperature. Otherwise, magmamelt yung mga ice sculpt like this. Ayan. I believe this is an eagle. By the way, this is the community center. So, Diyan nag-report yung binata ko kanina. Diyan sila nag-organize yung volunteer sign-in. Okay, lakad pa tayo pag ano, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano-ano pang meron. Although this seems a very simple festival pero meant for community. Ayan, dito sa Alberta Avenue Community League. Look at that, oh, nag-start na siyang mag-melt. Oh, tumutulo. Ito, meron silang pag-game dito. Deep freeze races. Looks like fun. So, ito yung team na gumagawa ng scald ice. So far, parang kukunti yung mga pagkain. What I've seen so far. Oh, that's a nice costume. Ano to? Maple taffy. Canadian maple siya. What do they sell here? I'm curious what is that. So there's something na nilalagay nila yung stick. Ay, snow! Kaya pala snow stick. Sabi ko, tatry ko sana. Pero snow lang pala siya. Ayun! Snow na lalagyan ng maple syrup. And then, yun na. Ayun, I was expecting na sana may food. Pero, so far, hotdog and marshmallow. Tsaka yung ice on stick pa lang yung nakita kong food. Pero, ang marami is yung mga activities for children sa ice. Like yung slides, yung race, horse riding. Okay, moving on. Let's see what else is in here. Meron silang axe throwing activity dito. Whoa! Magkano kaya? You wanna do that, Yana? There's my son. Stop natin siya. Ethan! Ethan! Dito kami sa Carrot Community Arts Cafe dati. Ano? Where did we go? Yeah, this one. Nung meet up about the volunteering last December. It's a community-run cafe. So, merong ano dito? Cafe, restaurant inside. Ooh! Magaling yung girl. Oh, there's more here dito sa may alley pala. Ayan, may mga lights. And then, ice sculpture. Year of the Horse. 2026. Oh yeah, these are lanterns. Maganda ito mamaya pag dumilim na. Caribou Patrol. Ayan, tapos may mga antlers doon. Oh. The caribou. So, we will be here until 7 p.m. Mga 5 o'clock, didilim na siguro. So, let's see how it looks like naman tonight. So far, this is my favorite. And it's melting. I don't miss you.
I was born and raised here, and I was raised up in the rural areas, but I've lived in every kind of area in Alberta. And you know what I love most about our province? I love most about our province that we have this unique landscape that is so different. We have various topography around here that we just get a little taste of it. I come from the boreal forest, which is why, that's why I'm like this, okay? Yeah. I come from the forest. And we also have a piece of the mountains. We also have the hoodoos that kind of are like dune-like, desert-like in the south. And then we've got the plains, you know? It's just an amazing place to live. So that's what I wrote this song about. Also called Barley Soup, so it's kind of about something else more for the adults. I seen the mountains in Montana and the Hollywood Hills. I prefer the hoodoos and the Mitsu Mill. The lights in Las Vegas don't even compare to Aurora Borealis or the Stampede Fair.
mga kainan dito sa area. Tapos may nakita kaming poking kanina, so baka doon kami mag-dinner. Oh yeah, na meron dito si Tooth Fairy. Gusto mo magpa-dentist? May mga eye sculpture pa dito, pero mga nagmimelt na sila. Hindi na malaman kung is this a fish? Oh God, I will. Yeah, so nagpunta lang kami dun sa loob. Nagtingin lang kami ng mga arts, mga paintings, mga different artworks na binibenta nila. May mga Vikings. Meron din mga street hockey. Look at those, mga little children. And then on this side naman, mga adult. Street hockey tournament. Oh, here, I found my son. Yan, taking photos. Videos. Hello, my son! Sungit. Yeah, that's my son in action. By the way, about sa volunteering, kung paano nakuha yung anak ko na mag-volunteer for photography because nakafollow ata yung isang organizer ng event from Kaleidoscope. Nakafollow sa Instagram ng binata ko. May pinupost doon ng mga photography shots yung binata ko, and for some reason they contacted him if he wants to do photography in this event, and so he wanted to para ma-showcase din niya yung kanyang lately. Siya na nga nag-take over ng mga camera ko kasi he's into photography lately. So yeah, I said it would be a good experience for him. He's gonna, you know, practice his skills in certain events like this, diba? With a purpose.
On your right, girl. Take a look, take a look. Move to the side a little bit.
Serious sila naglalaro.
Ah, sure. Perfect.
Yeah, there's nothing more Canadian than this, of course. Hinahanap ko yung mga nagbebenta ng hotdog and marshmallow. For some reason, di ko sila makita. So now, magkakape na lang muna kami ng dalaga ko kasi medyo malamig na. We need to warm up a little bit. Tapos, tonight ulit. Nakita niya yung kasama niyang volunteer din sa photography. Yun. Sabi na nga, YNT Trading. Yana, you're right. We've been here before. Bumili kami ng fish. Sabi ko na eh. Ito yung sinasabi nung asawa ko na balikan namin, YNT Trading. Na nagbibenta sila ng mga frozen fish. So we might get a few stops later. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go check inside muna. Let's go. Pasok tayo sa YNT. Ay, bakit nakalock? Ay, rear entrance. Aww. Rear entrance. Oh, okay. Sinarado nila yung ano, yung front door because of the event. You have to go at the back. Okay, later na. Ayan, may body na yung anak ko. Okay, I wanna try to cook hotdog and marshmallow. Tingnan natin kung meron dito. Roast your own marshmallow kit, $3. Hotdog kit, 5. Kuha tayo pareho. It's okay. The same stick is okay. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, here's our kit. Ngayon, hanap tayo ng fire at magpainit tayo. Yung mga panibagong nag-grip to. Okay, dito tayo. Barbecue. Yan, nasunog na yung marshmallow ko. Sometimes, luto na to. Actually, pwede kang humingi ng hotdog bun. Teka na po dito ng hotdog bun. Pwede rin kainin like as it is lang. So, yan, magdi-dinner kami mamaya. So, kainin ko na lang as is. Init. Naligo na ako ng usok. By the way, may nagbabantay pala dito na volunteer keeping the fire on. Masarap pala ang hotdog na ganito pagka nandito ka sa event. Tapos nagluluto ka dito sa may fire. For some reason, masarap siya. Pero kapag yung mga bumibili ka sa grocery, niluluto sa bahay, parang hindi ko siya na-enjoy. Pero this time masarap. Okay, bukas na daw yung cafe, sabi ng dalaga ko. So, magkape muna kami. Dito, sa Popular Bakery. No! Not yet. Sarado na talaga pala. Hindi ko na nag-grill yung ibang marshmallow ko. Kainin ko na lang. Okay, so let's go to Foking. Baka mag-dinner na kami or coffee, we'll see. Sana merong available na table. Thank you. Okay, so dito kami. So baka mag-dinner na kami ng dalaga ko. Tinatanong ko yung binata ko kung pwede siyang mag-take a break. Sabi niya, hindi daw. Pero for sure, pakakainin naman sila since they are volunteers. Definitely, I'm gonna get a coffee. I'm thinking of magpo-fova ako. Parang gusto ko to spring roll. Parang gusto ko rin ng rice. Baka rice meal na lang siguro ako. With pork chop. Parang ang sarap po ng pork chop. So, ito na yung kape namin. Wala silang hot. Ice lang. Sige, pwede na yan. Sarap. Tapos. So, ito na yung food namin. Ang dami. Pork chop itong sa akin with spring rolls and rice. And itong masarap na Vietnamese vinegar. Yung sa dalaga ko is rare steak and brisket po. And then a bunch of vegetables on the side. Kain po tayo. Let's start with the pork chop. Sarap po. Yummy. You have to help me here, Yana. Pero tatambay muna kami dito because meron pa kaming 2 hours. We're gonna go home at 7 p.m. Antayin namin yung binata ko. So, we're going to eat slow at magpainit muna dito sa Foking while enjoying the food. On spring roll. Nagsama spring roll. Chicken. Favorite namin itong Vietnamese vinegar. Sarap. Try natin yung sabaw nung... Oo. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap din yung food nila dito. Okay, so we're done with dinner. Gabi na oh, madilim na. It's already 5:30. 5:30 na. And mas malamig na. At mukhang medyo mahangin. So, since we're staying until 7, we're gonna check yung YNT trading. Baka bukas pa. Pero sa likod kami dadaan. May mga musical doon sa loob ng mga booth. Wag, lamig na. Nangangatog yung kalamnan ko. Paring tao. Mas maganda na kasi may mga pailaw na. May hoodie nga pala ako, so ginamit ko na para makabawas sa lamig. Dito, Stollery Gallery. Okay, let's go. Pasok na muna kami dito. Pero napasok ko namin dito kanina, nandito yung mga painting. Dito, art gallery. Makakabili ka may mga sketchbooks doon or yung mga painting na pwedeng i-frame yata. I wanna check it out. Ito, may mga naka-display na mga drawing ng mga bata. Let's go! So, nandito kami, nagpapainit lang dito sa may fire. Kasi malamig na, tapos mahangin. Init. Okay. Ngayon, tignan naman natin kung anong itsura dito kapag night time. Let's go around. Gusto sana namin dumaan sa YNT Trading. Binalikan namin kaso sarado na. Tagang bentang-benta yung axe throwing. Check ulit natin yung Chinese lantern. Feeling ko mas maganda na siya ngayong gabi kasi yung mga lantern naka-on na oh. Oh, nice. Mas maganda na siya, oh. So, iba din yung ambience niya sa gabi. Of course, merong konting pailaw na. Kaya ma-appreciate mo na talaga yung fire kasi malamig na. Ito may mga bago ng ice sculpture. Yan o, Deep Freeze Fest. Tapos ito yung ginagawa kanina lang hapon. Tapos na siya. What is it? Is it a mouse? Is it a rat? Yeah. And then, itong isa rin, bago rin to, merong fish. So, para siyang underwater. Hindi masyadong makita. From here, better view, I guess. Yan.
Like the one star is true.
sun is there. Ito na. Ay, nawala. Ayun. Yung merong light. May kasama niya yung naka-black. Okay, so ito itsura niya ngayong may mga ilaw na. Ito yung sa may indigenous area kung saan merong giant slide at mga teepees over there with music. Okay, so nagpapati na lang kami ng oras. Punta nga tayo dito sa Paraiso Tropical Grocery siya, Latin Market. Tara. Parang interesting, baka may makita tayong something. Uy, baka may panggawa ng churros. Marami siguro dito. Yun, mga authentic na mga Mexican paste. Hindi ito pala lahat, oh. And mga different spices. Meron din silang safflower. Panglagay sa goto. Ah, interesting. Parang maganda rin magpunta rito paminsan-minsan. Oh, meron sila dito yung paggawa ng anong tawag doon yung sa avocado? Guacamole. Bake. Ayan, oh. Yan, how much is the nido? Ni? Magkano? 80? 8 lang yung mali. Kunin mo yan. Yung $8. Ay, yung next size. Magkano? Yung magkano yan? Yung mas malaki. Bili tayo. Isa lang. May dala naman ako extra bag. How much is that? 17? Ito 799. 1,000 grams. So yung 1 kilogram is only 799. But this is 900 grams. And ano to? Panela. Fracci naman. So anyways, mura lang. Kasi itong napakalaki, oh, $33 lang. Yeah, I don't know. We'll double check na lang kung anong presyo nito. But we're getting this. So hindi ko malaman kung magkano presyo. Anyway, ask na lang namin mamaya sa cashier. Meron silang, ano to? Bukayo. Tawag dito. Anong tawag na dito? Yung parang sa atin, bukayo. Yung pure. Yung ginagawang arnibal. Pero din dito mga lutuan ng paella. Oh, yung mga sausage, it looks good, oh. Chorizo, empanada. Yun, tapos iba't ibang klase ng tortillas, oh. Oh, this is corn. Tortillas ko kaya ako. Tapos ito naman yung kanila mga chichirya. Yun. So kung tayo mga Filipino, meron tayo ng mga parang sari-sari store dito sa Canada, yung mga ganito din, ng mga specialized Filipino products. So dito naman, parang ganun din. Plus, meron din silang padalahan ng pera dun sa corner. Meron silang RIA, money transfer. Parang tayo din, di ba, sa mga Filipino store, merong mga padalahan sa Metrobank o kaya ganun din, RIA or ano pa nga ba yung iba? I forgot. Ooh! Sampalok ko. Tamarind candy. Oh, nandito yung mga sauces nila. Iba't iba't klase, mga hot sauce. Oh. Yun. Oh, lufa. And dried chilies. Oh my God, iba-ibang klase. Daming spices. Meron din silang hot food, oh. So nakita ko yung mga tao pumupunta dito, bumibili ng food. Yung iba dito bumibili ng beer. Kasi nga dun sa festival wala masyadong food. Mahal din pala, 33. Yeah, pero hayaan mo na kasi yung dalaga po hindi siya lactose intolerant kapag sa powdered milk. Okay, ayan na. For the first time, bumili kami ng nido dito sa Canada. Dito po sa Mexican restaurant. Kala namin mura. Pero ayan mo na. Magagamit naman yan. Importante. hindi magluluko yung tiyan niya sa gatas. Kasi na-try niya yung binili ko dati sa Pilipinas na Alpine powder. Okay naman yung tiyan niya. So dito ang problema kapag yung liquid, yung fresh milk. Yeah, problema sa tiyan. Oh, may mga nagre-race pa rin, oh. So inaantay na lang namin na mag-alas 7, 15 minutes to go. Tapos antayin na lang namin yung binata kong matapos. Then we can go home. Oh, may mga fairy, oh. Ano namin nagawa yan? Kanina gusto kong gawin yan eh. Yung maglalagari ka lang. Okay, so I think I'm wrapping up now the vlog here. I'm just gonna wait for my son. We'll be going home soon. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo itong shinare kong festival dito sa Edmonton. It was my first time to experience as well. Hope you got a few insights of some festivals that have been happening here in Edmonton, and you might want to try also someday. Okay, have a good one, and thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you again on the next one. Bye! Okay, my son's done. Time to go home. May fireworks pa daw, pero 9 o'clock na. Hindi na namin maantay. Time to go home. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time.